Welcome to Kareem Crypto College. Join me as I dive into the world of Bitcoin and see if I can match Robert Kiyosaki's big bets on it. Robert Kiyosaki is a household name when it comes to financial education, and his books like Rich Dad, Poor Dad have helped millions of people around the world rethink their approach to money and investing. Lately, he's been making waves in the crypto community with his vocal support for Bitcoin, and today we're going to dive into why he's betting big on this digital asset. There are plenty of people who remain skeptical about cryptocurrency investments, and that's understandable. After all, the crypto market has been known to be highly volatile, and there have been plenty of horror stories about people losing their shirts on bad investments. Plus, the lack of regulation and oversight can make it difficult for traditional investors to take it seriously. And let's be honest, there are still plenty of people out there who just don't understand how cryptocurrency works, or who think it's just a fad that will eventually fade away. But despite all the skepticism, there are some very smart people who are convinced that Bitcoin is here to stay, and Robert Kiyosaki is one of them. In fact, Kiyosaki has been very vocal about his support for Bitcoin, and he's even gone so far as to say that it's a better investment than traditional assets like gold or real estate. So what's behind his thinking? Well, for one thing, Kiyosaki is a student of economic trends, and he believes that we're heading into a period of massive inflation. As governments around the world continue to print more and more money, the value of traditional currencies is going to start to decline, and that's where Bitcoin comes in. Because it's decentralized and not controlled by any government, Bitcoin is immune to the kind of manipulation that's happening with fiat currencies. Kiyosaki also believes that the current financial system is broken and that we need a new way of thinking about money and investing. He's a fan of the crypto revolution because it puts the power back in the hands of the people rather than the governments and banks. And as for Bitcoin specifically, he likes it because it's a store of value that can't be devalued or manipulated by governments. Plus, the limited supply of Bitcoin means that it can't be inflated away like traditional currencies can. One of the most pivotal moments in Kiyosaki's video comes when he shares his personal investment strategy and predictions for Bitcoin's future. He's not just a casual observer, he's a true believer who's put his own money where his mouth is. And what he has to say is pretty eye-opening. Essentially, he's saying that Bitcoin is a hedge against the coming economic storm, and that anyone who wants to protect their wealth should be investing in it. Kiyosaki is adamant that the price of Bitcoin is going to continue to rise, and that it will eventually surpass the value of gold. To sum it all up, Robert Kiyosaki is betting big on Bitcoin because he believes it's a store of value that will only increase in value as the current financial system continues to break down. He's not worried about the short-term volatility, he's looking at the big picture, and he's convinced that Bitcoin is the future. Thanks for watching, everyone. What do you think about Robert Kiyosaki's views on Bitcoin? Do you agree with him, or do you think he's crazy for betting big on this digital asset? Let me know in the comments below, and be sure to check out my other videos on investing and cryptocurrency. This is Kareem Crypto College, signing off.